Everybody's worried that the AIs are taking our jobs, but I'm going to show you how AIs are actually working in concert with humans to unlock more creativity. Let's go. This mega thread on Twitter explains how content production in the games industry is going to be transformed by generative AI. The problem in the games industry is you need to generate a lot of content in 2D assets in order to make a game. It can be tedious and expensive to generate it all yourself, even if you are designing and the creative behind the whole game experience. In fact, 40% of the budget in the games industry is in art assets. And so he does a walkthrough of potions, which is a ubiquitous prop in RPG games. Unity has an art asset store you can go to shop. There's a few examples, some more examples, some more examples. Overall, kind of a limited catalog. You can turn to ArtStation, which is a content marketplace where you can license and buy stuff. 740 results for the potion query on ArtStation. Or you can try going to lexica.art, which is a generative AI repository of queries and content that people have made using generative AIs. And there's a lot of potions there. Actually, 2,864 were returned for the query. Here's a typical game development process, and an artist may be licensing an art asset on a marketplace for $5 to $20, but have fairly limited selection. Manuel, the author of this thread, spent 3 hours and put 98 images in to train a stable diffusion model on the concept of a potion, and got back a huge diversity of options of potions. He used some modifiers like 3D rendering, intricately detailed, beautiful, holographic, colorful 3D V-Ray render. By modifying the thing, he as a human was using his creativity and artistic direction to tell Stable Diffusion what he wanted it to be created, how he wanted it to be changed. Then said, spiral galaxy inside a glass potion, intricately detailed, beautiful, holographic, colorful 3D V-Ray render, purple dust on the floor, and bam, he got that. That's amazing, but that is his idea that is working in concert with Stable Diffusion to produce that. Keep going with various modifiers, and you keep iterating the process, human working with computers to build the best content. Move the backgrounds, switch to an image-to-image generation process, and you get 16 incredibly beautiful potions. If he changes his mind and wants them in green, well, he can prompt Stable Diffusion for that. Now give it to me in yellow. Turquoise. Something you like and start to put add-ons, so details around the outside of the potion bottle. This was branches and leaves around a bottle, intricately detailed, beautiful 3D V-Ray render trending on ArtStation. More variants, and more, and more. But with a snake. Another one with a snake. Wait a few more minutes and get a whole collection.